Stand up straight with your arms at your sides and your feet about 6 inches apart. Step forward with your right leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at a 90 degrees angle. Keep your back straight and your chin up. Your abs should be pulled in. Push off with the front leg and squeeze your glutes. Use your hamstrings and glutes to push yourself back up to the original position. Forward lunges increase leg strength and flexibility, tone your glutes, and burn fats. This classic multi-joint exercise will shape your legs and fix mascular imbalances. It targets several muscles, including your quads, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and abs. The lunge has long been a staple workout due to its numerous health benefits. When done properly, this exercise improves your balance and coordination. Increase hips flexor flexibility, and leads to better core stability.